I'll start off with saying that, welcome to Bollywood Bubble from home. It's weird, and, I still miss the times where I could personally come and interview people, and it was much more relatable. But anyhow, this is the only medium that we have. So, hi, what's up?
Hi!
Yes, I'm gonna ask you guys some random questions, and the segment's called What If. Okay, so if you guys are walking down the lane and you'll find a bag full of $5 million rupees, what are you going to do?
First, I want to see. I don't know. Karan will go.
I would. $5 million is not enough for me.
But what would you do if you just found it on your way?
The things that I do every day, I pick it up. I would actually $5 million. I would end up traveling and studying and exploring the entire world for the next 5 years, I guess. But 5 million and 5, 7, 35. 35 crores. 35 crores is good. Yeah, okay. 35 crores. I guess I will travel and I'll just go and learn cultures.
Wow. What would you do, Yogita?
Yogita is gonna come up.
मैंने मम्मी और पापा को दिखाना like mom dad ये देखो मुझे उनके फेसबुक देख रहे हैं और यार पता नहीं मेरे को कभी इस लाइफ में पैसे को लेके कभी कुछ हुआ नहीं
क्या बातें कर
I'll see मतलब मुझे खुद के पैसे होंगे तो मुझे जैसे लाइक मुझे पता है कि मुझे अर्न करना है I want to have my own house I want to have my own car but ये earned money नहीं है ना तो अर्न मनी नहीं है और ये जो फ्री का पैसा मिलता है तो उसके साथ क्या करना होता है
एक काम करना होगा just give it to me
I know he'll take it only
हाँ give it to me
so it's not मैं बहुत बड़ा घर बनाऊंगी शायद
बहुत बड़ा
और I'll actually invest in it मैं ना एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्रिएट करूंगी आई थिंक एक तो मैं पैसे भी कमाऊंगी और फिर मैं एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी क्रिएट करूंगी तो वो दो चीज हो जाएगी बिकॉज ना मुझे वो नहीं अच्छा लगता मैं डोनेट करना और जस्ट टू गिव आई थिंक पीपल शुड लर्न टू अर्न मनी नॉट कि उन्हें आदत नहीं होनी चाहिए कि हम उन्हें फ्री में पैसा दें सो एडुकेट देम और फिर उन्हें जॉब्स दो वो आई थिंक दैट्स अ बेटर मॉडल आपने क्या बोला
ये मिस इंडिया वाले आंसर्स है ना तेरे
है ना
no but it's listen I've worked in an NGO where I have worked on a self sustainable model where we would educate them vocational training देके उन्हें सिखाते थे और उन्हें जॉब देते थे
हाँ तो ठीक है तू एक काम करना
मिस इंडिया वाला कोई आंसर नहीं है
आइडियल एजुकेशन तो अपने $5 मिलियन ना वो मुझे दे देना
गुड आइडिया
बेस्ट है तू बर्बाद मेरे को दे देना
मैं आपसे डिस्कस करूंगी अपने सारे प्लान्स हम ये बिजनेस मॉडल में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं ये बिजनेस मॉडल में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं और फिर हम एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोवाइड करेंगे सबको सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम यही है ना एम्प्लॉयमेंट
मैं घूमने जा रहा हूँ
तो मैं थोड़ा तो मतलब
okay
मेरे पास इतना पैसे होगा तो आप घूमने नहीं जा पाओगे
Okay, so one fine day, you guys wake up, okay, and realize that Karan has woken up as Yogita and Yogita has woken up as Karan. How would you react and what would you do?
Oh, crap.
मैं जाती हूँ सबसे पहले अगर मैं Karan होंगी तो मुझे उठते ही चाय चाहिए अच्छा but he would do like we know about each other or we what would we do like to screw with each other
yeah no you don't have to screw with me
okay so as Karan like to tell each other right I have to tell कि मैं क्या करूँगी अगर Karan होती तो
अगर एक दिन खड़ी उठा and you're me what would you do the first thing that you would do
अच्छा okay यार
you will be
पहले तो अपने हाँ so I will go इन सबसे पहले मैं Instagram पे जाके योगिता के बारे में बहुत कुछ अच्छा लिखूंगी अपोलोजाइज करूंगी हर इंटरव्यू में उसकी बैंड बजाने के लिए और हर जगह लाइफ में उसकी बैंड बजाने के लिए I will literally apologize and I will say कि Yogita is the best person in this world. She's sweet and I've been a dash to her. And yeah.
What would you do, Karan, if you woke up and realized that you're Yogita now?
If I woke up and I realized, I think I've done something very, very naughty, very, very naughty. You know, so I guess, I don't know, I would mess with some boys that have had crushes crushes on Yogita. एंड तो मैं योगिता ना बहुत ही ऐसे स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड सी है, तो मैं ऐसे इसके इंस्टाग्राम पे कुछ तो दंगे कर दूंगा मैं ऐसे ना कुछ. एक तो ये I'll click some really, really hot pictures and I'll post them from Yogita's Instagram. And, do some naughty stuff, yeah.
Interesting, Karan.
This is not happening.
Interesting
No.
answer. Okay, another one is a little. You could probably say a social question. If you had the power to change one thing in the world right now, what would that be?
If I had the power to in the world right now, if you think about it, all major conflicts, problems that are happening on this planet right now are because of people following different faiths and religions, and there's a lot of issues because of that. The entire human, like any conflict, human conflict right now is around faith and religion. So if there's a way I could sort of erase these notions of belonging to a faith and to belonging to a religion, जिसकी वजह से हम एक दूसरे को मार रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से हम एक दूसरे को मतलब हम get along नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, I would actually erase all of that. So yeah.
Very, very well said, Karan. What would you change, Yogita, if you had the power to?
I would say something exactly like this only. That's where, when the lives were simpler. Like I remember when I was growing up, family time and friends and meeting your relatives was so important, and that was more natural and it was just so nice. And right now it's just so. I actually watch Social Dilemma, so maybe the answer is coming from there. But this internet, this whole idea of just like, you don't. I am actually hearing stories from people. I'm hearing things, and it's not something that I am watching from my eyes, or I'm hearing, or I'm, it's not my experience. I'm believing on somebody else. So that whole, जो भी false news है, जो भी हम circulate कर रहे हैं, it's just waking up to all of that. The times when life was simpler and just, your family was important, those values were important, जो वो battles नहीं थी, I think I would want to go back to that world.
I get your point. And I totally agree to that. And okay, last. If you get the chance to go back in the past and cast yourself for a particular Bollywood role, which one would that be?
Highway Alia Bhatt.
Wow, one of my favorites too. Karan, which one would you choose?
I think it has to be Bollywood, right?
Yeah.
If I have to go back in time and if I have to cast myself in one of the films, I'm getting so many ideas now. It could be Mr. India, Anil sir's role. It could be, there was this movie called Lekin from the 90s. I would probably want to see myself in that. I mean, there's so many films I would want to, be a part of. I think I could go back and do Devdas probably. I don't know. So many.
Wow.
But if it was Hollywood, I would put myself in Fight Club. Definitely David Fincher. Yep.
Lovely, lovely. That's like, different kind of roles that you thought of. Okay, for closures, a message that you want to give to all your fans and followers who've been showering all the love to you guys from I don't know when. So, a message for everybody who loves you too.
Yogita.
This time you go. Like Yogita.
Okay, so we just want to thank all of you, and sorry for the delay. But these 10 episodes are the culminating episodes for Dili To Hai season 3, and the most exciting episodes. There's so many questions. What will happen? Will Ritwik remember who he is? Will Palak decide who to go with Ritwik or with Vikrant? What's it going to be like? So I think the most exciting, most exciting 10 episodes are up and about, and thank you for your patience, thank you for your love, and that's about it.
So sweet.
Thank you guys, we love you.
You too.
Okay, so thank you so much हमें इतना याद रखने के लिए और हमें प्यार करने के लिए, और ये 10 एपिसोड्स जो आने वाले हैं हमने बहुत मेहनत से बनाए, कोरोना से लड़के बनाया. So प्लीज देखना और बहुत सारा प्यार करना. थैंक यू.
How sweet, how sweet. And on that note, I'd like to wish you guys all the best. आगे के आने वाले episodes को भी सब लोग बहुत ही ज्यादा प्यार देंगे, and आते ही रहे seasons, कभी रुके नहीं, and wishing to see you guys soon after this pandemic.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you. See you. Bye.
Bye, Karan. Bye, Karan.